Gajar ka halwa, looking very yummy and delicious. Homemade halwa is something we all enjoy. Hi my foodie friends, I am Nancy and welcome back to my channel Taste of Life Vlog. Today I am going to make a very delicious gajar ka halwa or carrot halwa. So let's get started and see the recipe. So for the gajar ka halwa or carrot halwa, take a nice pan and turn the gas on. Now we will add desi ghee to it, 2 tablespoons. Now we will add grated carrot in a pan. It's about 4 cups of grated carrots, approximate half kg of carrot. Carrots are cooking very beautifully and I'm getting a lovely aroma. So whenever you make the gajar ka halwa, make sure the carrots are fresh and nice. Now cook this for around 10 to 12 minutes or 15 minutes on a medium flame. And keep stirring it, otherwise you will burn your carrot. So stir, stir, stir. So after 10 to 15 minutes, look at that. The color has changed a little bit. So once the carrots are half cooked, so I'm going to add milk, 1.5 cup to it. And cook it till it evaporates the water completely. Stir, stir, stir. Look at that. Beautiful color. Now you see the water is completely evaporated. Now it's a time to add sugar. So I'm going to add sugar 3/4 cup to it. You can add the sugar as per your taste. Like you can add a little bit more or you can add a little bit lesser. It's completely on you. So you can see after adding the sugar, the color of carrots also have changed. It becomes a little darker. This is an important stage because when the sugar will release its water, the carrot also release its juices, and we have to reduce that only so that the carrot's flavor intensifies. So look at that. After adding sugar, the carrot has started to become moist, and make sure we reduce the moisture all of it. So continue cooking till excess moisture evaporated. So at this stage we have to, keep stirring it continuously. When the moist is completely evaporated, then I'm going to add cardamom powder 1/2 teaspoon, and you can add saffron as well. It's an optional if you want. Give a quick mix. Now you see the moisture is completely evaporated. Now it's a time to add ghee, 3 tablespoons in it. So this gives the halwa a very yummy taste, but if you don't want to add the ghee, you can skip this part. But I like the halwa rich and yummy. The carrot halwa is coming very beautifully, and finally at this stage we can add here in it chopped pista as per taste, chopped cashews as per taste, sliced almonds as per taste, and give a good mix. Look at that. The gajar ka halwa is ready. It looks so yummy and delicious. Friends, enjoy and happy eating. Bye bye. This is absolutely delicious and warm. Gajar ka halwa and carrot halwa looks amazing. You better serve it warm. And this is a very good dessert for families when you have a get-together of family and friends, and parties. So friends, if you like my recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel and comment also, and press the bell icon button for further notifications. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye and see you next time with another recipe.